World Evangelical Alliance.
Thank you, Mr. President. The World Evangelical Alliance remains concerned about violence against ethnic and religious minorities in several nations. We call on the government of India to hold accountable perpetrators of deadly violence and sexual violence in Manipur. Since May, more than 180 people have been killed and tens of thousands remain displaced. We appeal for redress for victims and for an independent and partisan truth and reconciliation process to resolve the crisis. We also appeal to the government of India to actively address the widespread hate speech and instances of violence targeting religious minorities. Mr. President, the World Evangelical Alliance is also concerned with blasphemy legislation that undermines the right to freedom of religion or belief in more than 70 countries and is used to justify mob violence against Christians. We appeal for the repeal of blasphemy legislation. We look forward to reading Pakistan's update to the High Commissioner on the attack that took place recently against churches in Jarawala in Faisalabad and that followed blasphemy allegations. The litmus test for SDG 16 is inclusive and pluralistic societies where people of all faiths are free to worship individually and collectively. Thank you.